We've ranked 9 dense perennials by their proven ability to smother weeds, backed by university trials showing suppression rates from 58 to 87%. Some fill in within weeks, others take a season, but every one of them means less time on your knees pulling weeds and more time enjoying a lush, self-maintaining garden. Starting at number 9, a patient, soft-mounded beauty that quietly blankets bare soil. Number 9, Lady's Mantle, Alchemilla mollis, brings a gentle start to the lineup with its scalloped, chartreuse leaves forming soft mounds that gradually shade out bare soil. Hardy from USDA zones 3 to 8, this perennial thrives in sun or partial shade and prefers moist, humus-rich soil. When spaced 18 to 24 inches apart, it takes about 2 years to reach 80% canopy, steadily closing gaps and crowding out weeds. An Illinois extension trial recorded a 58% reduction in weed growth under a mature mantle stand. Minimal upkeep is needed. Divide every 4 years to refresh vigor and water only when the top inch of soil dries. One caveat: Lady's Mantle can self-seed if flower heads are not removed, so a quick trim after bloom keeps it in check. For gardeners seeking a patient, attractive ground cover, Lady's Mantle offers steady progress toward a weed-free bed. 8th place goes to blue Mazus, known botanically as Mazus reptans. This ground-hugging perennial forms a fine-textured mat by rooting at every node, quickly covering moist garden beds and shady borders. In USDA zones 5 through 8, blue Mazus thrives in sun to half shade, but it truly excels where soil stays consistently damp. Weekly watering during the first season is key to fast establishment. With starter plants spaced about 20 inches apart, gardeners can expect a dense carpet in just 6 to 8 months, much faster than slower, clump-forming perennials. A University of Washington greenhouse trial found that Mazus suppresses weed growth by 66% within a year. To keep the mat vigorous, divide every 3 years. For anyone with soggy spots or low-lying areas that attract weeds, blue Mazus offers a lush, low-maintenance solution that fills gaps before weeds even get a chance. Number 7. Geranium Rozanne offers a blend of beauty and practical weed control for gardeners ready to invest in long-term results. This hybrid cranesbill forms broad-mounded clumps, spreading steadily by rhizomes to shade the soil beneath its deeply cut leaves. Hardy in USDA zones 5 through 8, it thrives in sun or partial shade and prefers moist, well-drained soil. When planted 18 to 24 inches apart, Rozanne takes about 2 years to fill in, but the payoff is striking. A living carpet of foliage, topped with violet-blue blooms from early summer right through frost. In a University of Georgia trial, established Rozanne stands reduced weed biomass by 71% within 2 years. Maintenance is simple. Do light pruning after the first flush of flowers and divide every 4 to 5 years to keep the mound vigorous. While plant cost is higher than most ground covers, the result is a lush, ornamental bed that suppresses weeds with minimal effort and maximum curb appeal. Number 6. Lamb's Ear, Stachys byzantina, offers a low-effort solution for gardeners battling weeds in sunny, dry beds. This perennial forms a dense, silvery mat just 4 to 6 inches tall with velvety leaves that reflect sunlight and lower soil temperatures. The result is a living carpet that not only cools the ground, but also blocks weed seeds from sprouting. Lamb's Ear thrives in USDA zones 5 through 9. It prefers full sun and well-drained soil, and once established, it shrugs off drought with ease. For best coverage, plant 12 to 15 inches apart. Expect a solid canopy in about 12 to 18 months. Maintenance is minimal. Divide every 5 years to keep the mat thick and water only during the first month after planting. A Texas A and M field observation found that a mature stand of lamb's ear suppressed weed emergence by 70% in just 1 year. While the soft foliage can attract aphids in humid climates, most gardeners will find this plant nearly carefree. For those tired of constant weeding, lamb's ear delivers cool-toned beauty and reliable weed control with almost no ongoing effort. Number 5. Creeping Phlox, Phlox subulata, brings a burst of color and reliable weed control to the garden. This spring flowering perennial forms a dense semi-evergreen carpet, blanketing the ground with pink, lavender, or white blooms just as winter fades. Once the flowers fade, the mat of needle-like foliage keeps the soil shaded, making it tough for dandelions and other weeds to break through. Missouri Botanical Garden trials found that a mature phlox stand reduced dandelion seedling density by 73% over 2 years. Creeping phlox thrives in USDA zones 3 through 9, handling both full sun and light shade. For best coverage, plant 12 to 18 inches apart in well-drained soil and expect a solid canopy in about 18 months. Maintenance is simple. A light prune after flowering keeps growth compact, and dividing every 5 years renews vigor. One caution: humid summers can invite powdery mildew, so good air circulation is important. With its showy blooms and season-long coverage, creeping phlox turns high-maintenance beds into vibrant, weed-resistant displays. Number 4. Bugleweed, Ajuga reptans, delivers the fastest weed-smothering performance among shade-tolerant ground covers. Its secret lies in the rapid spread of surface runners, or stolons, which knit together to form a thick, evergreen carpet just 4 to 6 inches tall. In USD A zones 4 through 9, bugleweed thrives in part shade and moist, well-drained soil, making it a go-to for beds where sunlight is limited but weeds are relentless. Planting at 6 to 12 inches apart, gardeners often see 80% coverage in only 8 to 10 weeks under moist conditions, remarkably quick by perennial standards. North Carolina state trials measured a 78% drop in weed seedlings within a single season, while a homeowner diary from Ohio logged 85% coverage in 6 months. The aggressive spread is a double-edged sword, so to prevent bugleweed from overrunning paths or neighboring beds, install a root barrier at planting and divide clumps every 2 to 3 years. Overwatering or poor drainage can invite crown rot, so good soil prep and spacing are essential. For anyone seeking a near-instant, living mulch that keeps weeds out of sight, bugleweed offers a practical, high-speed solution, provided you're ready to keep its energy contained. Coming to the top 3, Periwinkle, Vinca minor, delivers unmatched speed in the race to cover bare ground and shut out weeds. This evergreen carpet thrives from USDA zone 4 through 9, handling deep shade as easily as partial sun, and tolerates just about any soil, even compacted clay. When planted 6 to 9 inches apart, periwinkle can knit together a dense mat in as little as 6 to 8 months, far faster than most ground covers. In a Michigan State University trial, Vinca minor suppressed 82% of weed seedlings after a single season, making it one of the most effective living mulches for neglected corners and shaded slopes. But this power comes with serious caveats. Vinca minor is classified as invasive in many northeastern states, where its trailing stems can escape into woodlands and crowd out native plants. Even more concerning for pet owners, every part of the plant contains alkaloids that are moderately toxic to dogs and cats. Veterinary case reports confirm that chewing on periwinkle leaves can cause vomiting, drooling, and even heart rhythm disturbances. For those determined to use Vinca, install a root barrier and keep pets away from planting areas. While periwinkle's weed-choking ability is impressive, its legal and safety drawbacks mean gardeners should weigh the risks carefully before letting this ground cover loose. In second place, Sedum Angelina delivers a masterclass in efficient, drought-proof weed suppression for sunny, exposed garden beds. This low-growing succulent forms a tight, silvery green mat just 3 to 4 inches tall, spreading rapidly by offsets to fill every gap where weeds might take hold. Once established in USDA zones 5 through 9, Angelina handles heat and dry spells with ease, and needs only sharp drainage from sandy or gravelly soil and a spot in full sun. Colorado State University field trials measured an impressive 85% reduction in weed seedlings beneath a 1-year-old sedum mat, placing it among the most effective ground covers for weed control with almost no ongoing labor. Plant 12 to 18 inches apart and expect a lush, weed-blocking carpet within a year. Watering is only needed during prolonged drought, and pruning is rarely necessary. Just remove the occasional dead stem. The only real caveat is moisture. Excess water or poorly drained sites can lead to rot, so raised beds or slopes are ideal. For gardeners searching for a water-wise, ultra-low maintenance solution that keeps weeds at bay in the hottest, driest corners of the yard, Sedum Angelina stands out as a nearly unbeatable contender. And finally, in first place, creeping thyme, known botanically as Thymus serpyllum, stands at the top for gardeners determined to end the weeding cycle once and for all. This aromatic ground cover forms a dense evergreen mat 1 to 3 inches tall, weaving a living carpet that blocks sunlight and keeps weed seeds from sprouting. Hardy in USDA zones 4 through 9, creeping thyme thrives in full sun and still performs in partial shade, making it adaptable to a wide range of climates and garden styles. For best results, plant 12 to 18 inches apart, or sow at a rate of 20,000 seeds per 1,000 square feet, a method that delivers fast, uniform coverage at a fraction of the cost of plugs. In a landmark USDA trial, creeping thyme suppressed 87% of weed seedlings over 2 years, outperforming every other perennial in real-world tests. Once established, the mat needs just 30 minutes of annual maintenance for every 200 square feet, mainly a light trim after flowering to keep edges tidy. Watering is only necessary during the first 3 weeks, or in extreme drought. The canopy typically closes within 12 to 18 months in full sun, leaving little room for weeds to break through. With material costs as low as 10 cents per square foot for seed and a lifespan measured in decades, creeping thyme delivers the highest return on investment for anyone seeking a lush, fragrant, and truly low-maintenance garden. For exhausted weeders, this is the perennial that transforms effort into ease, a living solution that turns bare ground into a self-sustaining, weed-free haven. Across all 9 perennials, one truth stands out. Resilience wins over relentless effort. These dense growers transform weed-prone spaces into thriving, low-maintenance gardens. No chemicals, no constant labor. It's proof that with the right plants, you can let nature do the hard work for you. Ready to reclaim your weekends?